Every day, millions of Oreo cookies are enjoyed around the world, but few people have seen the incredible factory process behind one of America's most. Behind every Oreo is a highly automated manufacturing system, capable of producing. The process begins with carefully selected ingredients, delivered from approved suppliers.
Before production begins, every ingredient is tested to ensure consistency, safety, and quality. Once approved, ingredients are transferred into large storage systems that support continuous production.
The first stage of cookie production begins in the mixing department. Computer-controlled systems deliver precise amounts of flour into each production batch.
Cocoa powder provides the signature dark color and chocolate flavor that Oreo cookies are known for.
Sugar is carefully measured to achieve Oreo's familiar balance of sweetness. Powerful mixers combine the ingredients into a uniform cookie dough. As mixing continues, the ingredients transform into a dense chocolate dough. Once the dough reaches the correct consistency, it moves to shaping and forming equipment. Now the dough begins its transformation into recognizable Oreo cookie wafers. Precision rollers create a continuous sheet with exact thickness throughout production. One of the most recognizable cookie designs in the world is now pressed into every future Oreo. After the signature pattern is stamped, precision cutters shape each cookie with remarkable accuracy.
Machine vision systems inspect every cookie before baking begins.
With shaping complete, the cookies begin one of the most important stages of production: baking. Modern baking tunnels operate continuously, producing thousands of cookies every minute. Carefully controlled temperatures transform the soft dough into crisp chocolate wafers. Baking removes excess moisture while developing the texture Oreo cookies are known for.
The structure of each cookie becomes stronger and more stable as baking continues.
Advanced control systems continuously monitor the baking environment. Minutes later, the freshly baked wafers emerge, crisp, aromatic, and ready for cooling. Controlled airflow gradually lowers the cookie temperature without damaging texture. Operators verify that every batch meets temperature and quality requirements. At this stage, the chocolate wafers are complete and ready for Oreo's famous cream filling. At this stage, the chocolate wafers are complete and ready for Oreo's famous cream filling. While the cookies cool, another production line prepares the signature cream that makes Oreo instantly recognizable. While the cookie wafers cool, the factory begins producing Oreo's famous cream filling. Every ingredient is carefully measured before entering the mixing process. Powdered sugar forms the foundation of the smooth cream filling. Industrial mixers blend the ingredients into a smooth, uniform cream. Precise mixing creates the texture and consistency consumers expect from every Oreo cookie. Advanced monitoring systems help maintain consistent quality across every batch.
Samples are tested to verify texture, consistency, and production standards.
Once approved, the cream filling is transferred directly to the cookie assembly line. Now the cookies and cream finally come together. Computer-controlled dispensers apply the exact amount of cream to every cookie. With both the cookies and creme prepared, the factory can begin assembling the iconic Oreo sandwich cookie. Precision alignment systems ensure every cookie reaches the assembly line in exactly the right position. Computer-controlled dispensers apply the exact amount of creme needed for each cookie. Moments later, a second cookie is placed on top, completing the classic Oreo sandwich. A carefully controlled compression process spreads the filling evenly between both wafers. Within seconds, thousands of completed Oreo cookies are ready for final inspection.
Advanced cameras inspect each cookie to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
Only approved cookies continue to the next stage of production. Now the cookies enter one of the fastest sections of the entire factory, the packaging department. Before packaging begins, the cookies are arranged into perfectly organized rows for efficient handling. Automated stacking machines group the cookies into the exact quantities required for each package. Packaging materials are supplied automatically to maintain uninterrupted production. Modern packaging systems can wrap thousands of Oreo cookies every minute. Airtight packaging helps preserve freshness, texture, and flavor during distribution. Every package receives traceability information used throughout the supply chain. Advanced cameras verify package quality before products are approved for shipment. Automated systems quickly organize individual packages into shipping cartons. Powerful robotic systems prepare large quantities of products for transportation. With manufacturing complete, the cookies are stored temporarily before beginning their journey to stores around the world. Every pallet is tracked digitally, allowing the company to monitor inventory and shipments across the supply chain. From the factory, Oreo cookies begin their journey through an extensive distribution network.
Once shipping schedules are confirmed, pallets are loaded onto trucks for transportation.
Efficient transportation systems help deliver products quickly to regional distribution centers. Regional warehouses organize shipments and prepare them for local delivery.
The final stage of distribution brings the cookies closer to consumers. After traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles, the cookies finally reach store shelves.
Millions of consumers purchase Oreo cookies every year, making them one of the world's most recognizable snacks. Every Oreo cookie represents a remarkable combination of food science, engineering, automation. From raw ingredients to the famous twist, every step is carefully designed to create the Oreo experience enjoyed around the world. From ingredient delivery to global distribution, that's how Oreo cookies are made in modern factories.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Fact Factory tours and manufacturing documentaries.